When you nurture others, it's easy to forget the body that carries you through each day. This module is about reconnecting, with movement that restores, not depletes. Gentle movement isn't about burning calories. It's about balance, grounding, and flow. It helps reduce stress, restore circulation, and increase your energy. Simple stretches can ease tightness, improve posture, and signal your body that it's safe to relax. A few mindful minutes a day can calm your nervous system and lift your energy. Walking, when done slowly and consciously, becomes a moving meditation. It grounds you in your breath, clears mental clutter, and helps you return to yourself. You don't need an hour or a gym. Gentle movement can be stacked into daily habits, like stretching while waiting for your tea or walking during a phone call. This journey isn't about intensity, it's about presence. Let your movement feel like a gift, not a task. You deserve that kind of care. Let's begin with grace, not pressure. Your body is ready to feel supported, one gentle step at a time.